How to prevent foot problems is a common question that's often been asked by individuals who have never seen a podiatrist before. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deidré if we're meeting for the first time. So in this video, I will share with you my top 4 tips on how to prevent foot problems. Tip number 1, stop smoking. If you are a smoker, I recommend that you get help to stop smoking. Nicotine is known to have a direct effect on the skin. The nicotine narrows the vessels that supplies the blood to the feet. That can cause problems that can ultimately lead to an amputation. Tip number 2, check your feet. Getting into the habit of checking your feet on a daily basis will help you to spot changes quickly so that you can get help sooner rather than later. Tip number 3, good footwear. Wear shoes that are correct for your foot type. So when you go to buy shoes, make sure there's someone there to measure your feet and advise you on the types of shoes that is correct for your foot type. Because what you don't want is to wear shoes that are too loose, too tight, or cause any rubbing to the skin on the feet. Tip number 4, moisturize daily. During the summer and winter months, the feet tend to get drier, therefore losing a lot of its natural oils. So it's really important that you try and put some of that moisture back into your skin. So using a urea-based cream that is specific for the feet will help you to do that. Also, if you are exposing your feet to the sun, make sure that you use sun cream because your feet are vulnerable to skin cancers such as basal cell carcinomas and melanomas. I hope this video provided you with value. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.